Welcome to the Your Fitness Chick podcast. Become your best self. I'm your host, Abby Smiley Krause. I am a personal trainer, a wellness enthusiast, and I'm not gonna lie, a certified dog-obsessed human. This isn't just another fitness podcast. It's your wake-up call to level up your life. In this podcast, I'll be diving into everything from crushing your workouts to shifting your mindset, because being your best self isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your life. Whether you're here to get fit, find inspiration, or just stop settling for an average life, you're in the right place. We're talking about tapping into your full potential, expanding your horizons, and building a life so good, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. So let's lace up, show up, and start making things happen. This isn't just a podcast. It's your permission slip to dream big, work hard, and create the life you've always wanted. Join me here every Tuesday for a fresh episode. If you've ever sat there on Valentine's Day, scrolling through social media, watching couples post their "look at us, we're so in love" highlight reels, while you're sitting on the couch in your granny jammies, scrolling social media while watching the Hallmark Channel, sighing out loud so deeply your dogs are questioning you, half a bottle of wine in deep, and questioning if you're going to be single forever, then this is the episode for you. Welcome to the Your Fitness Chick podcast. I'm Abby, your fitness chick, fitness coach, mindset shifter. And this week, I'm going to shake you awake about stepping into your power of being single. All right, listen, I get it. Literally just last week, I posted on Facebook, I think I'm going to be single forever. Because let's be honest, dating in today's world, it's exhausting. It's dodging constantly liars, cheaters, and walking red flags. And when I said I think I'm going to be single forever, I'm honestly okay with it if I am, because I'm grateful for the opportunities that I have, which I'm going to share with you some of those in a minute. But I would much rather be single than be stuck in a relationship that I'm miserable and I'm trying to serve somebody else and make them happy at the expense of myself. Now, I need to be upfront with you. I am not here to give you relationship advice. That's not my lane. I've been divorced twice and I'm still recovering from my last toxic relationship. So if you're looking for how to find the love of your life in 5 easy steps, I'm not your girl, and that's not what's going to go on here. But what I am an expert in is rebuilding the most important relationship of your life, and that's the one with yourself. Because the moment that I stopped chasing people and started chasing my own damn potential, my whole life changed. So I'll tell you right now, your singleness is not a problem. It is a season to be maximized, optimized, and turned into the biggest glow up of your damn life. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the real reason why you hate being single. And nope, it's not because you're lonely. Why fitness, of course, is the most powerful glow up tool that you'll ever have. How to become the person that you'd actually want to be with instead of just waiting for that right person to show up. And how to build confidence, energy, and discipline so you stop settling for bad relationships, bad habits, and a life that doesn't really excite you. Trust me, by the end of this quick episode, you're not just going to feel okay being single, you're going to be thriving in it. So let's go. So here's the truth, you guys. You don't hate being single. You hate feeling like your life is on pause, right? But let's be real for a second. Who hit the pause button? You did. Because a lot of people sit around thinking, I'll be happy when I meet someone, or I'll start taking care of myself when I'm in a relationship. And when you live like that, you're treating your life like a waiting room. And I hate to break the news to you, but no one's going to come press play for you. This isn't Netflix. There's no autoplay feature that just magically moves you to the next chapter of your life. You have to get up, move, and decide that your life starts right now. So the challenge is I want you to ask yourself, If my dream partner walked through the door tomorrow, would they even be excited to meet me? Because if you don't like the answer, good. That's where we need to start. So let's talk about the single most powerful tool that you have to level up your confidence, your energy, and most importantly, your mental strength. And as your fitness chick, you probably already know what I'm going to say. It's fitness. You cannot talk about mindset shifting without talking about how you treat your body, period. Listen, confidence isn't something that you wake up with, it is built. And you know where it starts? In the gym, on the mat, in that first rep when your brain is telling you to quit and you don't. A lot of times I think healing can happen from the outside in. In the last few years, that's exactly what has happened for me. It's been an incredible time of healing and transformation for me. And a lot of that happened when I stepped into the gym, popped in those earbuds with my music, and I went to that special place. Because every time that you show up for yourself in fitness and improving your health and your body, you're proving to yourself, I can do hard things. I can be consistent and I can push past my own limitations. And when you start seeing progress in your workouts, guess what? Guess what happens? That filters into all areas of your life. And that's super exciting, you guys, because it's going to carry that same energy into your work. It's going to carry that same energy into your self-discipline. And most importantly, it's going to carry that into the standards for who you let in your life. You want to stop settling for those relationships that drain you. Start building a life so strong and fulfilling that no one can just waltz in and take away your peace. That's empowerment. So this challenge for this week is I want you to move your body every single day. Stretch, lift, walk. I don't care. But show yourself that you come first. You really do have to love yourself first before you can find anyone else to do it. And feeling really great about yourself with fitness, it's a great start. So here's the real question. Are you the kind of person that you would want to date? I look back now at my speed dating period that occurred shortly after my divorce back in 2019. At first it was exciting. It was fun getting attention, being spoiled with gifts, admiration, fancy dinners, all that fun stuff. It was really good for my fractured ego from the divorce. However, I soon began to notice that although I was going on lots and lots of dates, it was almost like I kept going on the same date with the same kind of person. I kept attracting the same kind of guy, one with a lot of damage and not doing much to fix it, except trying to find a new person. After I went through an abrupt breakup back in 2022, I finally had an aha moment. I figured out maybe they weren't the problem. And as much as I hate to say it, maybe I was. I had not healed from my divorce and lots of other stuff that was going on in my life. So I was attracting men that were like me, damaged, broken, and living on autopilot. So I thought finding someone would be a really good distraction, but really all it was a roadblock to my healing, preventing me from not only finding someone that was suitable for me, but also from me becoming the best version of myself. So the harsh truth is you don't just get the relationship of your dreams, you grow into the person who can hold that kind of relationship. So I'm going to say something that might piss some of you off. You have to stop manifesting your dream partner. I know, the law of attraction, vision boards, all that good stuff. I've done that. But here's the thing, you don't need to manifest them. You need to become the person who naturally attracts them. So if you want a person who is ambitious, are you working on your goals? If you want somebody who's health conscious, are you prioritizing your fitness? If you want somebody who's emotionally stable, are you doing the inner work to heal? Because here's the deal. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So write down the top 5 traits that you're looking for in a future partner. Now rank yourself from 1 to 10 on how well you embody those traits. Wherever you're falling short, that's what you need to work on. All right. So before I wrap this up, let's talk about something really important. The underrated perks of being single. Because listen, while the world out here is acting like being single is a tragedy and your Aunt Addis is saying, "What's wrong with you?" I'm over here thriving in my life. And let me tell you why. Here's my being single is actually amazing starter pack. Shaving, it's optional. You want to rock that winter leg hair? You go for it. No one's checking, and my dogs just identify better with me. Eating straight from the peanut butter jar, no one's going to know. No one's there to judge me. Sleep like a starfish, no one's hogging the bed. Watching whatever you want on Netflix, no debates. You pick every time. Traveling without permission, game changer. Not texting back for hours, guess what? Nobody cares. It's pure freedom. And let's not forget, this is the part I really like. No weird in-laws, no sharing your fries, no pretending like someone's terrible taste in music is your jam. So if you ever catch yourself feeling sad about being single, just remember you could be arguing with someone over what's for dinner who, they're just going to chew it annoyingly loud. So I know these are jokes and I'm kidding around kind of. But in all seriousness, we would all eventually like to meet our person, right? I know I would love to, and I'm leaving that for when the time is right. I firmly believe that the universe doesn't make any mistakes. So if you're not meeting your person, maybe it's the universe's way of saying, hey, here's some time for you with no distractions to concentrate on you and to work on becoming your best self uninterrupted. So I don't want anyone who is being sad on Valentine's Day this year. I want you to shift your perspective and fall in love with the opportunities that you have in your life right now to level up. All right, my friend, let's recap. Your life isn't on hold. You are. So get out there and press play. Fitness, the ultimate confidence builder. Be sure to move your body. Stop waiting for the right person. Become them. So do your fitness chick a favor. Share this episode with a friend who you think needs to hear this. Tag me and let's start a movement. Leave a review if this hits home for you. And remember, you're not ever alone. You are with the most important person you will ever have. And that's you. So celebrate yourself, appreciate, have gratitude, work on yourself, become the best version of yourself. And I guarantee you that whatever's supposed to happen will happen. You can never lose what's meant for you. So work on becoming your best self. And as always, I'm here to inspire, uplift, educate, and motivate you to become your best self. And I'll see you on the next episode. Hey, it's Abby, your fitness chick. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. Your support means the world to me and allows me to keep creating inspiring content just like this. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so we can stay connected and motivated all week long. You can find me on all my social media platforms. Links are in the show notes. And be sure to visit my website at www.yourfitnesschick.com for more resources to help you crush your goals. A huge thank you to you, my listeners. You inspire me every single day. I'll catch you in the next episode.